Step 1. Go to the Windows search and write run. Here you can write MRT. Okay, this opens Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. And when you open that, go next, and you can choose between quick scan and full scan. You can choose a quick scan to check the most common areas where malware usually hides. But if you want to be sure, select full scan. Keep in mind that full scan takes a long time, so it is best to start it and let it run overnight. If it finds anything, it will automatically detect and handle the threats for you. Step 2. Check for hidden accounts. Search for the run again and type NATPLWEZ. And take a close look under the user's account listed here. If you see any account that you did not create, click on it immediately and hit remove. And last step, check your Windows startup apps. Right click down here and Task Manager. Choose Startup Apps. If you spot any strange or unfamiliar programs running at startup, make sure to disable or delete them right away. Just be careful, don't delete antivirus, and that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.